Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Batata Vada recipe or Batata Pav. This is a Gujarati recipe and this is very easy to make and it's super delicious. This is my version of a Batata Vada. I will make it simple and delicious. And let's start it with the ingredients. I have 4 boiled potatoes and I peel the skin. Coriander leaves, dhania, mint leaves, pudina, ginger, green chili. Spices from masala dabba, besan, water as we need it. So let's start making our delicious Batata Vada. The first step will be get a mixing bowl. Get a cheese grater and we're going to get the potato. You can grate it like this. You can do this or the way I do it. I get a potato masher and I mash it. Just like this. So I'm going to mash all these potatoes the same way. We're going to add ginger, green chili, salt to taste, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, red chili flakes, and we're going to mix them well. You can mix it with the hand, whatever easier for you. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add coriander leaf, dhania and mint. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, this is going to be our mixture. Get another mixing bowl, add ground flour, besan, salt to taste, turmeric powder, haldi. Mix it well. Now we're going to add water. Add water, then mix it. Make sure there is no lumps. As you see, this is the consistency what we're looking for. Baking powder, a pinch. Mix it well. This is a Gujarati recipe. They always add sugar into everything. So this will be strictly optional. That's why I'm adding at the end. So mix it well. Once the sugar is nicely combined, so we're all ready, and now we're going to make our delicious Batata Vada. First we're going to heat up the fryer. We're going to add oil. So I'll start my fryer and we're going to keep the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to start it. Now we're going to wait until it heats up. Add some oil and we're going to get this much potato mixture, and this is going to be our potato ball. So we're going to prepare like this. So about this size. You can make it bigger, smaller, but this is the perfect size. Some potatoes tend to stick your hand, so it's a good idea to put some oil on it. So I'm going to keep continuing doing this like this. I'll finish up making Batata Vada the same way. And when we're going to put it into the fryer, we're going to dip it and then we're going to put it in. So we're going to keep continuing making the Batata Vada the same way. Keep it rolling like this and it becomes round shape. And now we're going to go on a fryer. So the oil is heated up and we're going to put it inside our batter. This is the besan coating. So dip it and this will go inside the oil, just like that. And we're going to keep continuing doing the same thing. Once it's nice coated, just keep putting in. If you have a bigger fire, you can put it more. Right now we put it 7 of these. So we'll put one more right in the middle. Once they get golden brown, then we'll take them out. So once they are nicely golden brown on each side, we'll pull these out. The potato is already cooked. We just need to cook the basin, the coating that we put it on the top. These are all done. So pull these out. Simple and easy to make batata vada. These are super delicious. As the oil drained out, I have my plate ready and I'll place it in. Wow. Then we'll start making the second batch the same way. If you look at the second one, it's started to float as well. These are big jumbo size. Give some more time so it gets a little brown. Then I'll take these out and then I'll share with you. Our batata vada is all ready. Look at this. Super big, super spongy. As the oil gets drained, I'll pull these out. Put it on a paper towel so it can soak up any extra oil. Our simple and delicious batata vada is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.